Before you watch this video, I want to promise you that we will give out the two names of the top ranked mutual funds at the end of this video. Now, let us dive into this video. You saw in earlier videos that how much more can be earned through direct plans. In this video, we will show you how one such Vivekam's process has been helping investors enjoy their ride. Diversified mutual fund schemes are ranked from 2010, and anyone willing to check on any past dates may do so at any time. Once you log in, you can click on Services, Mutual Fund Services, Spot Funds Historic, and input the date to see the top 5 funds recommended on that date. It will also show you the average return of these funds in next 1 year vis-a-vis Nifty. If you input 7th May 2014, you will see top schemes delivering 36.21% versus Nifty's 24.2% return. If you use 21st October 2016, top 5 schemes will give you 26.09 versus Nifty's 18.89%. Here is the challenge. Write down any one date in each year from 2010 to 2020 February and test this interface for all dates. You will find efficacy of top picks yourself. But the process we talk about is different and gets even better. After investing in a scheme, we allow it to continue only if it remains in the top 20 ranked schemes in any month. Otherwise, it will be dropped and replaced by the top ranker on that day. Exit loads and short-term capital gains are taken in the stride, since the overall returns always are justified. Test this interface for 5 years or longer, all by yourself whenever you wish.
To understand more about the process being discussed in this video, once you log into the website, click on Products, select MF Lump Sum, select MF Equity Lump Sum, and then the screen offers you to enter the date of your choice as the first date of your proposed investment journey. Because it is better to check the efficiency of the process over a long period of time, we will check the process from 2011 onwards. Let us say 2011, January 1st is the starting point, and we start our journey with 5 lakhs of amount, and then let us say we selected 5 schemes as our preferred choice. After you click submit, the returns will be flashed on the screen. For the choice of 5 schemes with 5 lakhs of investment from 2011 January 1st, the process has delivered a return of 11.1% compounded annual growth rate per year. That is, after incurring all expenses that includes short-term or long-term capital gains and exit loads if any scheme had to exit your portfolio in less than a year's time. So after all expenses, the net return is 11.1% for the investors, whereas in the same time frame Nifty has delivered only 8.25% compounded annual growth rate after taxes. That means there is an outperformance of almost 3% per year for the clients who follow the process. Now let us check the system only for a shorter duration of, let us say, 2015 April 1st onwards for 5 schemes again with the same amount, 5 lakhs and 5 schemes, and once you click on the submit, again the returns will come on the screen in a flash. As you can see from the screen, process has delivered in this short time frame of 5.5 or 6 years a return of 9.75% return per year, whereas index has delivered only 8.58% after taxes. Here the outperformance of 1.17% over Nifty may look not very great, but looking at the situation where in 2019 financial year and in 2020 financial year, almost every mutual fund in the country has underperformed the index. Despite that fact, mutual fund process that we are discussing has delivered an alpha or a higher outperformance of 1.17% over Nifty, even among the toughest of the times. That is the power of this process.
You are encouraged to get in touch with Vivekam on numbers being provided on screen at the end of this video and get convinced yourself. Wish you loads of good fortune backed by informed investing. Now, as I promised at the beginning of this video, the top 2 schemes that are recommended by Vivekam for mutual fund investors are like this. Please watch the screen.
Top ranked mutual funds for April 2021 are as follows. Number 1, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Number 2, Mirae Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund. Though we promised to give you 2 funds, This time, let us give you the top 5 schemes also. Number 3 is UTI Flexi Cap Fund. Number 4, SBI Small Cap Fund. Number 5, Axis Mid Cap Fund. Hope you will be wise to invest in these funds and get benefited in the times to come.